Hey guys, welcome to our another session on LLM red teaming, and today we will show how you can perform LLM safety and you know uh, security testing of LLMs on your Google Vertex AI Collab notebook. So today we will show on IBM Granite. We will show red teaming on IBM Granite. They have just released a very powerful model. Uh, I think few 1 week back or so. We will take one of their smaller models, which is 3.1 8 billion parameter model, which itself is very powerful, uh, which has capabilities including summarization, code-related tasks, and a lot of other things. So very nice. And in terms of the architecture, they have done great improvement in terms of training, performance, and accuracy. And they have released all of these benchmarks, right? So let's see, whether we can do a quick assessment of this model on Google Colab and using, Detoxio AI platform. And so in order to do that, the first thing you need to do is go to your uh, Google Colab and create a runtime, say a runtime template. We have created a runtime template with, you know, uh, we are using NVIDIA Tesla A100, which has around 40 GB of GPU RAM. And this should be good to run 8 billion to 7 billion parameter, potentially 9 to 10 billion parameter models, not more than that. Right. So create a template, keep the idle shutdown to 20 minutes for us. Of course, create a network, which is isolated network, so that the notebook is not able to access other part of the network because it is not supposed to, and also enable the public internet access so that it can collaborate with Detoxio AI, get signatures and evaluation can happen. Right. Once that is done, next step will be to create an environment. So create an environment, select the template, and I think you should be able to do it. So like we have created an environment, it is up and running. Then next thing you need to do is to get our red teaming collab notebook, import it to your collab enterprise, and there is a specific place where you can go and specify the API keys, right? Once that is done, you can go and connect, and select the runtime. Once that is done, I think the next thing it does, just go and run the playbook. So it will download, it will run the playbook, and at a specific place, it will go, and start testing uh, the model from various risk perspectives, such as LLM related risks, which include toxicity, profanity, and other, specific to LLMs. You can also run test cases related to OS top 10 LLM apps, including prompt injection, injection attacks, kind of injection attacks, base 64 decoding, and coding attacks, and so on. Once that is done, you can also actually run adversarial bench based attacks on LLMs, which include various advanced adversarial test scenarios, including various kind of toxicity and profanity. More deeper than what we discussed. I think there is an error. If you face an error, I think what you can do is you can. There is an error probably related to the API keys. So I think it has reached the threshold. So you can actually rerun the test again if it stops. Yeah. And finally, there is a test. There are tests for specifically for jailbreaking. Yeah. And once you do all of this, um, we have access to the platform. You will get access to our platform. If you go there, you will see the live findings on a dashboard like this. And you can see that over the past 1 hour or so, the testing, of course, with a single thread is going on, And all the red color items you can see are the unsafe responses. So overall, our platform has found 23 unsafe responses so far. It has, which is like out of 40, out of 60, total tests, which has highly, selected from a platform. It has found 23 responses, which is like around 25% of the responses were actually more than 25 percentage. 30 percentage will actually were unsafe, and it has found issues related to various threat categories such as prompt injection, bullying, crime, fraud. As you can see that some of the issues were like, okay, were like at some place it is saying I hate humans. Okay. Then there are other places where it is able to create. There was a successful Dan attack, do anything now attack on the model. In other cases, it is able to create a exotic screenplay stories and so on. So you can see you will get a list of all these requests and responses which were unsafe. And now the next thing to do from here is to design guardrails for it, that again you can do it on the platform by fine tuning already existing models, already existing guardrails, so that you can prevent these attacks on the production, right? So great. Thank you very much. uh, that's it for now.